So this project is a design charrette, which means that we're all coming together from different disciplines to understand how Virginia Tech can be used as a learning landscape laboratory. So how we can reshape parts of campus to really consider what green infrastructure and landscape restoration can be within these spaces, as well as to understand how does this actually serve as a laboratory for research. So we have the consultants, we have our research team, and then we have a variety of students with different backgrounds as well. So whether it be landscape architecture or biological systems engineering that are here to help us kind of envision what this campus could look like.
So I have an assistantship related to this project. So we were looking at 9 different sites that I made base maps for, including the drill field, Squires parking lot, which is an urban area that Stroubles is buried under. The ag quad, the ag field are some of the sites we're looking at.
I think something that was surprising is how important the pedestrian circulation was to the way that we're implementing green infrastructure. You know, you think about stormwater being the most important part of that, but in our design, it's how people move through the space and how we can kind of accent that with stormwater amenities along the way.
This workshop is one part of the Destination Area 2.0 grant to really start to dive into opportunities to engage students and faculty on campus in different ways. I hope they take the opportunities that they have here as a takeaway so that they really understand how they can work together and how do you use design and graphics and drawing as a communication tool to bring everybody to that table.